Hey everyone, I hope you are doing great. If you have just joined LSSC and feeling confused about the application, don't worry. In today's quick guide, I will show you exactly how to use the LSSC application even if you are a complete beginner. First of all, you need to open your web browser and search for lightsha.com. Over here on this page, you need to basically log in into your account by providing your email address or your mobile number and your password. So here you can download and install the LSSC application. If you have already done that, you need to simply launch the application and log in into your account. Now over here, in order to activate your account, you need to deposit some money. In order to do that, simply tap on the My tab in the bottom right hand corner, then click on the recharge option. Over here you can simply select any of the networks that will be given over here. It can be USDT, Ethereum, BTC. After selecting it, you need to enter the amount that you want to recharge your account with and follow further on screen instructions in order to recharge your account successfully. I have created a detailed video on this topic on how you can basically recharge your account, so you can just check that video out on the channel. So once the payment is confirmed successfully, you can click on the join option. Over here you will see a bunch of different packages that you can select based on the amount that you have entered, and then you can basically start earning your daily income from here. I'm assuming that you have selected this particular account, so you need to click over here, and on the next page you need to just follow further instructions to rent your scooters and to earn money. So this is how you can get started with the LSSC application. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel for more easy guides. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.